This is part 3 of the nightstand. So you should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different scenes to create. When creating scenes, you're going to go to Window, and mine's just a little bit different because I have a PC. You're going to click on Scenes. So yours is just going to be on the Mac, Windows, and then Scenes. Okay, so should look like this.
Like that.
Okay, so you'll have this. And you go to Camera and Parallel Projection. And then Front View. Let's go. We're going to do an ISO view. So we're making an isometric view of, or a three-dimensional view of our nightstand. So you want to make a scene, get the view that you want, or the scene, and then under the Scenes tab, click the plus sign. Now you can change the name of it. To do that, click on the Show Details icon right here. I can change the name of it to I changed it to Isometric View. Then press Enter. So you can see it changed the name. Now on a PC, the tab is right here. On the Mac, it's going to be centered. But now, anytime I want to go back to that view, I click on that tab, and it will bring me back to that view. So I'm going to use the same process for all five of these drawings. So we just did the isometric, now we're going to do the exploded. I'm going to set it up the way I want it. I'm going to click on Add Scene. I'm going to change the name to Exploded Scene. Press Enter. And I created a new tab. There's my isometric. There's my exploded. As you can see, there's lots of options. There's settings that we can change that we're not going to mess with for this exercise. I'm just going to pan over using the wheel, hold the wheel down, press the left mouse button. That gives me pan. Now I'm going to go to front view. And since I am in the parallel projection, I get the front view label right here. This is the front view of, this is the multi-view of my side piece. This is how I want it to look. I'm going to add a scene, and label it multi-view of side. Enter. Now you're just going to repeat the process for the shelf. So here's my shelf. Add a scene. Multi-view of shelf. And the last scene would be multi-view of top. So you can see my 5 scenes there. You can see the 5 tabs up along top. If I wanted to, I can click on each tab to see each scene. I can right click and select play animation. Depending on your settings, it'll probably pause for a while over each scene. Then you can either hit escape or stop. You can change the position of the scenes by using these buttons. Now let's say I decided I wanted this scene here, my exploded scene. So right now it looks like that. But let's say I goofed up. Let's say I want it to look like this. Now I get it positioned in the way that I want it. Then I can click on Update Scene, or up here I can right click and update. Now it created a new updated scene, or it just updated that scene, that view. So when you have all 5 scenes created and you save your work, should be done with this exercise. I'm just changing my units to fractional. Okay. That should be it for now.